Yeah! Give birth! What? I think he was saying that because we're yelling, but who says that when they're delivering a baby? Give birth! Push harder! Give birth! You just say that in the background. Some lady in labor just delivers in the background. You're there with like a pitchfork in the background and like a torch. Give birth! Give birth! Give birth! Alright guys, welcome to Canada!
Ooh, Canada, huh?
This is the street I grew up on.
Oh, wow. Where are the houses?
See that White House down there? That one was mine.
No, I don't. I just see a lot of snow.
Shut up!
Do you know what else is in Canada? Naked panda men.
Snowmen with AKs.
That's the Canadian military. Canadian military.
Yes. Just communicate your way through this, Evan. Just sorry about that, eh?
All the way through.